Today the second video we're going to change A750, which is called Samsung A720 18 as well. LCD, it's broken, you can't see the display. Also my personal phone. With this one I do not have any knowledge about the phone, so I'm gonna remove the, looks like it's a plastic body. So when you are heating it up, you have to be very careful. Remove the SIM card reader. There's nothing else beside this. And then start heating up with the heat gun. SIM card reader is out and we're going to heat up now. It's plastic, so be careful. I feel like that it's plastic feel. LCD I got brand new one, so it's similar like Huawei LCDs nowadays. Let's open the back cover and see how does it look, because I don't see any screw, which means either it's under the back cover or either the LCD is going to come out from the front, but the look of the LCD does not tell me that because it's not with the frame. This is my personal phone. It's been there for quite long. I bought it with the broken screen. One of my customer was selling it. So now it's time to give it to my brother. So I need to repair it now. Normally I keep these type of phones for the space, but today we'll change the LCD. My favorite tool, X-ray.
Possible. No.
It's not that difficult also. It's quite easy. Yeah. All these metallic color phones are easy to open.
Yeah, metallic color, no?
Oh, so you see the color is coming. Oh, looks like glass though. First time opening it, doesn't look like any wireless or this and that thing in there. Okay, it's a bit stuck here, so I'm gonna heat up again. There are two flexes that I can see, so be careful when you are putting something in there that it shouldn't go deep in there. One obviously looks like LCD one, the other one I don't know. And this is glass, it's not plastic. This is plastic, the main frame is plastic. Still very stubborn here, so there must be something here. I'm gonna heat up again. I heated it up and try to lift up. Okay, I think this was stuck only. As I said you that either it's front or back. So we're gonna remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 screws now. As the screws are open, so assume, yeah, like J series, this is what A series, this is some button, so be careful about it. Okay, it comes off easy. It doesn't have any jack, it's connected with the pins. This is, okay, it came off. So that's charging board connecting with the flexi. So it's basically like Huawei design. Put it aside, that's your LCD flexi. Now I think we must just disconnect the battery and then start removing the LCD. So I'm going to heat up from this side, I'm not going to touch board this and that. Let's remove the battery, the LCD after heating up, and see that if we need to remove that board. Oh, shit. This is plastic frame, so be careful, don't heat up too much. Distribute the heat evenly on the lower level. I lift it up from a corner a little bit with the help of tweezer. This is plastic frame, so you don't need to heat up that much. And then insert it underneath it and slide it all around. I'm gonna pause here, heat up and remove this thing. Glass came off easily. The other piece is a bit stubborn, you know, because they have this sticky thing. So you don't need actually to remove the charging pin if you're just replacing the LCD. The flexi comes out easy. This is the tricky part. This is how it comes out, boy. I'm gonna clean this glass with the brush. I just put the LCD to test it, but I'm gonna redo it again. It has a pattern now, which seems that it's working, but because I bought the phone with the broken screen, so now I gotta contact the person. I know her. Maybe she'll give. If she doesn't give, then we have to open that. So I'm just gonna put now together and put some glue. For that we're going to put this thing back and then screw it all, and then I'm going to use the glue all around it. I'm just gonna pause here to just put the screws on the back cover, then I'll glue in front of you. Okay, so so now I'm going to put glue all around. So once you put the glue, or double tape if you got, then we'll come back to the next step. Now the glue is all around, so you're just gonna insert it there nicely and put the glue at the back, so I can put the back cover and put rubbers around to make it sealed. I'm gonna put, and I'm gonna pause it. So once it is both side, just gonna switch it on. LCD is still working, everything, and put rubbers around it. Rubber band normal. Don't need to leave it there for whole night or anything. Just about an hour is enough for it to dry it off. So for the urgent repair, you need to ask customer about an hour. For repair that you need to do with the time, you can ask a day. So there it is, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna leave it for an hour or so. I'm gonna contact the person who bought it from, so I can get the password. Meanwhile, so this is how you change A750 LCD, which is A7 2018 as well. So here we go. Just putting it extra rubber so it can hold from all the sides. We're done. If you like the video, please do subscribe, like, share, and any suggestion let me know in comments. Thanks very much. See you next time. Bye.